Local and fun is truly what it's all about here on Studio 10, and loving Lansing like a local with a Greater Lansing Convention and Visitors Bureau. And that's exactly what we're doing today, and we are highlighting golf today and the many great places that you can golf in and around the Lansing area. And I'm with Dave Spohn, who is actually more usually in the bowling, the pro department.
Bowling pro shop.
Yes, but today we dragged him out on the golf course. So we're on what, hole number 3, is that right? All right, hole number 3 here at Royal Scot Golf and Bowl is where you can find us right now. And yeah, golfing is, a lot of people have, since the pandemic over and done with pretty much, people decided that they wanted to shift outdoors and do a little golfing.
It's beautiful. Well, even then, it really kept us going last summer because it was one of the few activities that you could do.
Yeah.
The space, it was just considered safer. So, it was a great summer for golf.
Yeah. So tell me about Royal Scot, the golf course, because we're going to focus in on some of the other activities throughout the show that you can find out here. But let's talk about the golf course right here. What can people expect when they come to Royal Scot?
Well, you've got a very well-groomed, we have 27 holes here. You have the 18-hole main course, and north of State Road, you have the north course, which is 9 holes. It's a little different setup out there. It's considered like a links course, so it's a little tougher, a little more narrow. This is a very scoreable course. It's nice, wide open. It's very well maintained, very well groomed. A lot of fun.
Yes, that's for sure. Yeah. So would you consider, this overall a tough course, or some holes are, some areas are?
Yeah, but more the north course. That 9 holes would be considered the tougher part, and this is more recreational play.
Okay, I've heard things about the north course actually, and it's a little bit harder here at Royal Scot Golf and Bowl. So so of course, in the title, Royal Scot Golf and Bowl. Bowling. We can't forget about bowling out here.
My main sport.
And that's you. So tell me about the bowling lanes here at Royal Scot.
So it's a 60-lane bowling center, which is the largest in the area. We host, we have leagues 7 days a week. There's open bowling available. We have bumper bowl. We do birthday parties. We've hosted state tournaments, national tournaments. We're hosting a collegiate tournament this upcoming year. We actually hosted one during the pandemic with tremendous restrictions. No spectators. I got my COVID test so that I could actually be in the building. I mean, the whole thing. But we've been around for a long time, and it's still an excellent facility. We just got new scoring in December that has all kinds of fun games for recreational players to play, and yet still supports all the league bowling that we do.
I remember back in the day where you had to pencil all of your scoring, but now you push a button. You don't even have to push buttons. It does it for yourself, for you now, right?
Automatic scoring, yes.
All right, very good. Well, we are out here at Royal Scot Golf and Bowl. Of course, we are loving Lansing like a local, and the highlight this week is golf. If you want more information on how you can love Lansing like a local, you go to lansing.org/lovelansing. Stick around. We've got more fun coming up. We're actually going to tell you a little bit more about a relatively new sport that you may not have heard about. So we're going to give you some details on that, show you what that's all about. That's on the way. But boy, oh boy, we couldn't have asked for a better day out here on the golf course. Andy Provenzano has a check on your forecast.